Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to set up the WooCommerce on the cloud-based platform. So, before getting started, there are some few requirements that you should know. So, I'll show you what are those requirements that you should know before getting started. So, these are the some requirements that you should know. So, the very first requirement is that you should have an active cloud-based account so that you will be able to create a server and present your application or website live. After that, you should have supported the cloud provider. This thing you will get in the cloud-based account only. I'll show you how you can select it. After that, you should have a registered domain name, which you will be able to publish it. After that, the next thing is you should know the DNS access to configure. That also I'll show you how to point it. Again, it is a subdomain for the testing. If you are having the registered domain name, you can create the subdomain, or directly you can use the main domain for the your business purpose. After that, you should know the WordPress, and you should be able to do the designs related to your businesses and other things. After that, you should know the basic understanding of the WordPress, the WooCommerce plugin, and domain and DNS configuration. So let's start our video. I'll show you exactly how you can present your website live through the Cloudways. So let's get started. So the first step will be you should log in into your Cloudways account, and there you have to create one server by providing the details. So let's start it. So I've logged in into my Cloudways account. So our next step is we have to create the server. So I'll show you. Just follow this step, and you will be also able to do the same. So let's create our server first. Here you will get one option, flexible. Inside that, there are four options: my applications, my servers, archive, and my projects. You have to click on the my servers. So let's launch our server. So as we are going to set up the WooCommerce, you will get the option here, but I'll show you how you can install the WordPress, and inside that how you will be able to set up the WooCommerce. So I'll select this. If you want, you can also select the WooCommerce application. Now I'll name it. You have to give your application name. After that, you have to enter the server name. Uh, If you are not sure which server name you have to use, you can select any one of the among these. But before selecting, you have to buy some services from that. So as I'm going to use the Digital Ocean, so I'll click the Digital Ocean. After that, you'll be able to use other options. I'll select it. So here are some things related to the project. You can see it. Here you get the option whether you have to choose the hybrid stack or lightning stack for your application. So I'll keep it the lightning stack only. After that, you get the option. It is the main option that you have to select the one server for your application. So I'll select the Digital Ocean. After that, you get the option what type of server you have to select. I'll select the basic one only. Then you get the option like how much RAM will be required for your project. So they have given you the options up to the 64 GB, but right now our need is only 1 GB as we are just going to use it for hosting our website. Also, they have given the recommendation if you should use the 2 GB or higher for the production websites. But right now we are going to just host our website, so I'll use the 1 GB only. Once we have selected the RAM, you have to select the server location. You get the multiple options. I'll select the Bangalore one as right now we are doing it from India. Once you have selected, what options? Here you get the option. Here you get the details what you have selected till now. So we have selected the 1 GB premium plan, and we have got the one CPU processor, 25 GB disk, and the 1 TB of bandwidth. And here they have given the pricing. You can check it out. It varies according to the selection of the RAM. So currently it will be charging around us 0.0208 dollars. So let's launch it. Uh, they have provided these plugins for free. If you wanted to select it, you can select it. Otherwise, here they have given the option to skip it. As right now it is for the free, so I'll select it. See here, you will be able to see the pricing. It is costing $0. So let it be. I'll keep it. Okay. So it will take around seven minutes for creating the server. Till that we have to wait. So we'll wait for some time. So guys, you can see our server has been created. So we'll see our application has been, yes. So our application has also created. So I will show you. So our first step has been successfully completed. Now let's go to the step 2. Our step 2 is we have to log in or just go to your registered domain name. We have to log in into the GoDaddy or Namecheap account or any platform from where you have purchased your domain name. In my case, I have purchased it from the GoDaddy. So I'll log in into the GoDaddy account. So I've logged into my GoDaddy account. Now you have to select your domain. So I'll go to it. I've already purchased one domain, so I'll use that only for setting up the WooCommerce. So I'll use this one. It will take some time. So here is our domain. Let's go to it. Now, the next step will be you have to add the DNS record. I'll show you how you can add the DNS record. But before adding the DNS record, you have to make sure that your server has been created successfully. Because while adding the DNA record, you will need the IP address of the server. So let's add it here. I'll add the DNA record. See, here one field is there, value. So here you have to enter the IP address of your server. So I'll show you where you can find the IP address of the server. Just go to your Cloudways account. Here is my server. So I have to click on it, and here you will be able to see your public IP address. Just copy it and paste it over here, and you can select it according to you. Once you have filled the details, just save it, and the record will be added. So they have added our DNS successfully. It will take some time. So here is our record. Now, now the next step will be uh, next step will be you have to check whether the DNS is pointing to your domain or not. You can check it. Uh, you have to just visit one website, and the name of the website is what is my DNS. By clicking on this first website only, you will be able to check whether the IP address has been successfully added to your domain, you have to enter your website. So in our case, you can just search it here. So you can see the IP address has been successfully changed. It is the same IP address which we have copied it from the Cloudways account. See, it is the same address which has been added to your domain name. So this step number 3 has been also completed. Now let's go to your Cloudways account. Here are the some options related to your server. You can check it like monitoring tools are there, managing services, security related backups and other options are there. Here you can find out which services are running or which services you wanted to restart again. You can see it here. So I'll go back. Now let's go towards our application. So they have provided these details related to the WordPress, but it is like for the temporary only. But if you want to connect your own domain, you have to go to the domain management option, and here you can add your domain. I'll add my one. So just save it, and it will get added. So you can see the domain has been successfully added. Now I'll make this domain as my primary domain. It will take some time. So the domain name has been set as a primary domain successfully. So let's go towards the next step. So our next step will be you have to log in into the WordPress of your domain. So you can simply log in here. Just go to this access details. So, so we have logged into the dashboard of the WordPress. So here you can see it is the WordPress dashboard of our website shop.infracode.xyz. So let's move towards the next step. So our next step is we have to select the theme for your project. So let's do it. As we are going to build like an online shop store, so I'll use the Astra theme, but you can choose according to your need. You have to install it, and after installing you have to just activate it. So it has been installed. Now we have to activate it. So the theme has been successfully activated. Now let's go to the next step. Our next step is step number 5. Once we have installed the theme, next task will be simply just creating the project, or like setting up the uh, WooCommerce store for your project. As I'm just showing this for the video purpose, so I'll show you how you can use the like pre-built templates. But if you want, you can create it from scratch also. It is till it is getting installed. I'll show you. Uh, if you are creating your project from scratch, you can install the WooCommerce plugin from simply here. You just have to go this plugin options, and here you will be able to see there is an option called add plugin. So here you are having that option add plugin. You just have to click it here and you can search here, and you will get the suggestions here. So here is the plugin. You can search it out. Now I'll show you how exactly you can set up the WooCommerce. But before doing that, let me select one template. So here website, I'll create it by my own. So I'll use this page builder. Elementor is actually a very famous page builder, which can be used for creating the designs of your website. Mostly people use this only. You can just go for it as it is easier because it includes just drag and drop feature. So as we are going to set up the online shop store, so I'll select the online store. Here we get some templates. So I'll choose one. Let me see which looks good. So we will choose this one because this looks good. So yeah, uh, we have selected this one. So you can choose the color palette accordingly, whichever you like or whichever will be suit. So simply I'll just continue it. You can select it here. I'll skip this step. It will take some time for installing the plugins and the themes. So we have to wait for some time. It will take around 2 to 3 couple of minutes. So let's wait till it is getting installed. So it has been finished. So let's finish this setup. So as I'm using the pre-built template, so automatically the plugins has been installed. So here you can see the WooCommerce plugin has been installed. So just click on it. So I'll skip this setup. We will check whether the template has been successfully set up on our domain or not. So we will check it here. So you can see the template has been successfully installed on our domain. Now I'll show you how exactly you can uh, set up the WooCommerce if you are building your website from the scratch. So let's go to this WooCommerce plugin. So these are the some details. You can fill out it here as we have created the online shop store. So I'll show you. Suppose if you wanted to add any kind of product or remove the product, then how you can able to do it. So for that you need to go to the product section. Here all the labeled products are there. As here you can see this much products are available on our website. I'll show you that also. See, the chilies, extracted oil, assorted coffee, all those products are there. Now, suppose you don't want to add this hand-picked riddles and hand sanitizer, you can simply remove it. I'll remove this fresh orange juice and hand sanitizer. So I've selected it. Now I'll remove this product and it will be removed from our store. So we have removed it. Now let's check it. So here you can see the product had been removed successfully. Now I'll show you how you can add your own individual product. So you just have to go this and add the new product. Or here also you will get one option. Now I'll add one product. Suppose like I'll add the orange juice or just juice we will add. Here you can give the description related to the product. I'll give the short description. Uh, So I have added it, but you can add according to your product, as I am just showing it for the sample purpose. So here you get the option whether you have to select your product as a simple product or group product or affiliate product or any like a variable product. You can select accordingly. So here also you get one option like whether your product is a virtual or downloadable. Uh, just like suppose you get one option, you pay the money to some store and you can download the wallpaper, so you don't get it physically. So but as right now our product is physical product, so we will keep it simple product only. Now you can set the prices here. If suppose the regular prices is 500 and you wanted to give any kind of a discount to it, you can also give it here. But right now we are not giving any kind of a discount, so I'll just set the price directly. Here you can see the inventory, whether your product is available in the stock or not. You can select it out of stock or on a back order. So right now our product we will keep in the stock. Here you get the shipping details. What will be the weight, or like suppose how is the packing of your product. Like suppose we are selling our fruit juice in a can, so what will be the weight of that product, you can give it here. So I'll give it 250 gram. You can also give the dimensions of your product, but we will not give it here. Shipping class you can select it. If you want to give the third product link, you can also give it here. It is the same. Here you can set the product image. I'll set the image of my product. Also, you can select in which category you have to put your product. So as our product is fruit juice, so I'll keep it in the juice category. Now it will be shown in the juice section. Now we have added the details of the product. So now just publish it. So our product has been successfully added in the uh, section. So let's check it whether it has been added or not. Just refresh it. As we have added the orange juice in the juice category, so let's go to the juice category. So here you can see we have set the price of the fruit juice as 100 rupees, and it is showing here. We will also see whether we will be see. Here you can see the same description we have added, so we can say the product has been successfully added. So it was about adding the product and removing the product. Here you get the payments option. You can select it. I'll show you what type of options we get for the payments. So basically we get the these four options, like card options are there, but right now it doesn't support in our location, business location. We only get these three options, that is the Stripe, PayPal, and one option is that is the offline payments. So you can select anyone among of these. I'll install this one. So it has been successfully installed. Now you just have to make sure whether that you should have the PayPal account, yeah, and it should support this one. If it is not supporting, then you will not be able to get the payment from the customers. So you have to be very careful while adding the payment option. So here you can complete the setup. As we mostly know that the people prefer the Pay option for the payment. In another video, I'll show you how exactly you can set up the Pay payments for taking the payments from the customer, because it provides you the lot of options like credit card option, debit card options, and also the UPI options. So I'll create another separate dedicated video for it. So connecting for the payment, you have to connect with the WordPress and you have to do some verification. So you can do it. So I'll just simply skip it. So you can see how simply we have set up the WooCommerce through the cloud-based platform. So now let's log out, go back to your cloud-based account. Now let's see what is the next step. So we have created our project also. We have saved it. We have also logged out. So let's go to the next step. So guys, the next step is to stop your server or pause your server. So as my work has been finished, so I'll stop my server. Just go to this server section. So as my task has been successfully finished and I've just created this video for demo purpose. So I don't need this server. So I'll just simply delete it. But make sure once if you delete your server, your project or application will also get deleted. So you should be very careful before doing anything with the server. So my server has been successfully deleted, and here you get the option of how much real-time bill has been occurred. So it has charged me around $0.15 for this month. So here you will be able to see how much it can charge you. And suppose if you want to create such type of websites or any kind of projects related to the uh, online store or shop, you can connect to us. I have given the contact details in the description box. You can just simply contact to us. And if you like the video, you will get the motivation to make such kind of videos more. Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.